Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Weebly website builder tutorial. Weebly is a platform that you'll be able to create a website on for completely free. The first thing you want to do once on Weebly.com, you're going to tap on create your website. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page on which you'll be able to sign up using your email address and you can create a password. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And this is where a lot of persons get confused, because if you were to select this option, which is I need a website with an online store, you're going to be redirected to the Squarespace website builder. But if you were to select I just need a website, you'll be redirected to the Weebly website builder. So a lot of persons, when they are watching a tutorial or they have selected one of these options, they will say that the layout looks different. But this is the important section. I would recommend, if you are a beginner, to select I just need a website right here. After selecting that option, you'll be able to select a template. So whether you are looking for a business template, or you plan on creating a portfolio website or a personal website or event or blog, you can select any one of these options. Let's say, for example sake, we were creating a blog. So I'll just be selecting one of these templates. Let's say this one. After you have done that, you can preview how it looks. If it is to your liking, you're going to tap on Start Editing in the top right hand corner. After selecting Start Editing, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, we can tap on the X right there to close out, and you can see right there updated apps. You can select Reload Editor. So let me do that real quick. After we have selected Reload Editor, we are going to close the pop-up. And all of the different elements and editing options when it comes onto the Weebly website builder is located on the left hand menu option. Now to start editing it, all you'll need to do, for example, if you would like to change the logo, so you can see right there, you can either keep it as text, and for example I could change the text, so I could type in simple answers right here if I wanted to, or if I wanted to use a logo, I could tap on logo and you could upload a logo from your device. So you have a few options. And now to continue editing, you can scroll down, and then if we wanted to change the background, you could select the current background, then tap on edit background, and you could select replace. After selecting replace, from here you could choose to upload a photo from your computer. Let's say, for example, I were to select this photo, for example sake. After you have selected that, you can see the upload right here. Or if you would like to use one of their preloaded photos, you can do that. So I could select the photo again, tap on change image. Then I'm just going to be using one of their images, let's say this one for example sake, and I'll tap on select. After you have changed the image, if you would like to change the text, you can also do that. So I could tap on save right there in the top right hand corner. Then we could select the text section. After selecting the text section, you could edit the text if you want, and also if you would like to add any elements or so on. So let's say, for example sake, we would like to add a button right here. All you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, select button, then you could drag and place the button where you want it. So you can see right there. Then you could tap on the button and you could change the button text by selecting button text. I could change it to, for example, read more. So I could type that in right here. So let me select the button once more. I'm going to select the button text. I'm going to change the button text right here. After you have done that, you could go back, and also you could change the button style. So I could change the button style to a different option. You can also change the positioning. Then you will tap on link, and from there you can choose whether you would like to link it to a phone number, a website URL, or a particular blog post or so on. You can select any one of those options. And scrolling down, you can see how the rest of the page looks. Now to add different sections to your website, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you can scroll down and you can see the different elements that you can add. You can also tap on show all elements, and you can preview even more elements, as you can see right there. And by the way, to change the theme or to add more pages, you would tap on pages from the top navigation bar. At the moment, you can see that we have 3 pages on our website. We have the blog page, we have who we are, and we also have the get in touch page right here. So we have 3 pages available at the moment. To add another page, we would tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. From here, you can choose whether you like to add a standard page, blog page, category page, or a product page. So if it is a case that you like to start selling products, for example, digital products, you could select product page and you'll be able to list your product page. If it is a standard page, you'll just tap on standard. Then from there, you could add in the page name. After you have added in the page name, as you can see right there, you can see that it has been added to the navigation bar. Then from there, you'll be able to start editing it. So all we'll need to do is select the page, and you could select edit background, and you could choose a background and so on. And you can also scroll down and start dragging different elements. If in the future you would like to change the theme of your website, you could select themes from the top navigation bar, then select change theme, and you will be redirected to the theme gallery, and you can select a new theme, as you can see right here. So that is how you'll be able to change the theme on your website. You can also change the font by selecting change font from the left hand menu option, and you can choose whether you like to change the site title font, or you would like to change the navigation menu font, or headline, or so on. You can see all the different options right here. And if it is a case that you would like to add an app to your website, for example, let's say you would like to start doing some print on demand, you could select Printful, and you can also scroll down and you can see other apps that they offer, and they do offer a good amount of options. So you can select an app right there, and further edit your website, you could select settings. After selecting settings, from here you could change your site title if you want. You can also change the site category. Instead of it being blog, you could change it to something else. And if you were to upgrade in the future, you'll be able to change the icon of your website. You can also add a password to your website right here by typing in the password. And in the future, you could also add editors and so on to your website. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. After selecting publish, from here you could type in a name that you would like your website to have. So for example, let's say I would like it to be test simple, just for example's sake. I can do that, and I'll just type in testsimple.com. Then I'm going to tap on search. After you have tapped on search, from here all you'll need to do now, you can see the subdomain name that they will provide you with. So you can see that that subdomain name is not available. So let's say for example I were to add in 123, then tap on search. You can see that it is available, and you're just going to select the subdomain name right here, since we are creating a free website. Then you will tap on done. After you have tapped on done, you can see that it is being published, and now your website is live. So this is the link that you can share with anyone, and they'll be able to view your website. As you can see here, if I were to copy it and then paste it in right here, you'll be able to see a preview of how my website looks. Now the only branding or the only pullback when it comes onto the Weebly free website is that it has the powered by Weebly ad in the bottom left hand corner, as you can see here. But that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.